Hey crafters! So my goal today was to make a normal Pichu, but he kind of just took on a life of his own. When I finished this project, he wound up looking like he got possessed. I could have corrected it, but I figured I should just leave him alone and leave him in peace. I do hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and if you do, maybe you could possess that like button. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you've enjoyed, and if you would like, I have a sculpting playlist so you can check out. Feel free to comment and let me know what else you'd like to see as well. I really appreciate all of your support. Also, check out our store at dhits.com. We sell all kinds of merchandise, including a book that I wrote. Use the code CRAFTHITS to get 10% off. The link is in the description below. As always, hope you have a wonderful day.